This is the second video that was requested by AllState of the TV. They said it should be less than 10 megabytes and 10 seconds, but then it wasn't accepted. So I'm doing it again. So what you're seeing now is the screen, the entire screen. I'm also going to show it from the side. I have the power cord here, and I'll plug it in a moment. Again, this is the physical look, intact look of the screen from all sides. Again, this is the power cord. It's not plugged in right now, but I will plug it in as we speak. So when I plug it in, you will see that there will be a brief flash on the screen and also sound for about a second, and it's plugged in now. You can see that blue line that came, and then this comes on and then it goes out. And every time we provide the power, that happens. Again, otherwise the screen is black and there's nothing showing. The power cord is connected, as I showed you. At the moment you connect it, there will be a blue line, and then followed by the sort of white and black like ends flashing. And so anyway, that's the 10-second video, which is 2 minutes, but hopefully this will be satisfactory. Again, that shows the screen there from all angles.